Welcome back to this video course. In this video, we will go through optimizing your pins for greater exposure. In this video, you're going to learn three main things, which are the art of the pin, how to put your pin to work, and understanding Pinterest analytics. First of all, you need to know the art of the pin. Use high quality images and make sure that they are nicely composed and in focus. The best is to go for taller pins. This is because vertical pins look better on mobile and are much easier to read. Next is to have pins with multiple high-quality images. This is because it works well for pinners looking for information such as how-tos. Keep it to a maximum of 4 images so it doesn't look too crowded. Also, you need to make sure your pin is easy to read on mobile screens, which is why minimizing the amount of text on an image, the size and style of the text are important. Every pin should have a description that informs. The best descriptions are the ones that are positive and help people to imagine what they might do with the pin while also providing value-adding information. Write thoughtful and timeless copy because pins last forever. So you need to avoid descriptions that have timed promotional information. To encourage more pinning, you've got to make it easy to pin from your website and emails. This is because the more people that pin or repin your content, the more discoverable it becomes. You can also cross-promote your Pinterest account on Facebook or Twitter to gain more exposure. Lots of businesses highlight their most popular pins in physical stores. You can also include the Pin It button in your emails to make it easy for people to add their interested pins straight from there. Pinterest Analytics shows you which pins are most popular with pinners and which ones are driving the most traffic to your site. You can also see which boards your pin appears on, how the pins are described, and what people pin along with your stuff. All these insights are important, as it will help you to make smarter choices about your merchandising, product development, and marketing strategy. At the top of each analytics page, there's a graph that lets you see how things are trending over time, changes to your pinning strategy or website that will affect your Pinterest activity, seasonal trends that map to the activity on your profile. You're able to change your view by filter and sort your analytics to get more detailed views. Use the date picker to see the data for a specific time period. You can also sort your analytics by impressions, repins, clicks, and all time. Plus, you're able to use the All Apps menu to see analytics for different devices. Export data to look at trends and ratios between impressions, repins, and clicks. For example, it may help to see why a higher percentage of people are clicking on one pin over another. In order to save your data as a CSV file, click Export Data at the top of the page. Profile Analytics give you a look at the pin's condition from your profile, and it's best to switch between views in order to see the pins with the most impressions, repins, and clicks. You can see your top performing pins from your profile analytics. First one would be pins with high impressions, which means that people are actively looking for that particular content. You should continue adding similar pins to reach more prospects on Pinterest. Next are pins with high repins, which indicates that the content is interesting enough to share and save. In this case, pinning similar content from your website or other relevant sources to keep inspiring your audience is highly recommended. Pins with high clicks means that people want to know more about, take action, or buy that content. Add pins for similar things from your website to boost more referral traffic from Pinterest to your site. The all-time report is based on all data Pinterest has from the beginning of your account. This includes an assortment of metrics, and the first one would be your all-time most repinned pins. This will help you understand the content that your follower is most interested in sharing and saving. The second one would be best in search. These are highly ranked pins in search. You're able to improve the search quality rankings of your pins by writing clear and quality descriptions, using rich pins to categorize your pins, and making sure your entire pin links to useful websites. The last one is power pins. These are all-time high engagement pins, which is a combination of likes, comments, and sends. It helps you understand which of your pins have the most interaction of all time, which you can use to boost the value of your content. We're not done yet though. Join me in the next video.